I'm Madhan, Director of the Indo-German Science and Technology Center, located at New Delhi. Today I'm very happy that I'm here at the Alliance University. Thanks to the Center for Research at the Alliance University, which has brought me here. Really happy to see this university. First time I'm coming here. A green university, I should say. A lot of new developments, new infrastructure coming up. I can also see that this university is getting stronger and stronger in research, and I think that is one very, very important point for seeing a growth of an university, especially in the areas of STEM. I went and saw some of their digital design tools, very impressive. Their acoustic rooms, very impressive. They're coming up with labs for additive manufacturing, which is very important today in the manufacturing industry. It all ended with me giving a very nice talk to a very interactive audience, I should say, about programs of IGSTC. So I did mention to them about IGSTC's flagship program, the 2+2 project program, which attracts large funding. We fund 3.5 crores to the Indian side. We also fund the industry partners, and these are on different thematic areas. I also, I think, gave them an idea how the Alliance University can make a foundation to connect with the German institutions, academia, research and industry, because IGSTC focuses on applied research. We have a funding program for workshops which will help you to network with German academicians and industry. We also have industrial fellowship for PhD students, postdoctoral students and postdoctoral researchers. And I was very impressed with the questions which came up during my interaction today. The interaction was not only from the early career researchers, from the mid-career experienced researchers. And what was interesting to see was even people from humanities and law are trying to do multidisciplinary research with the science stream to sort out issues on data privacy, on IP, and which is a very good sign, which, it cannot look at it separately as a science issue. And I think I look forward to a lot of good proposals, and I think IGSTC would get proposals in future from Alliance University. I would say that try again. There's a lot of competition. Competitive approach is always the best approach. You win a competition, you always feel good. And looking at some of the areas where Alliance University is concentrating on, I think it's a long-term good plan. And especially these things work well with German institutions who are very good in planning for long term. I must say I'm very thankful to Dr. Prakash, who actually dropped into my office at New Delhi, and he talked me into this program. I came here and then I happened to meet Dr. Sean. I think I see a great teamwork in them. So thanks again to Prakash and Sean for this wonderful event.